Uptown Swing, level 1, 8 count.
Peter.
Maddie. Today we started with swing outs and twists. We talked to follows about doing twists on the 1 and the 2. We did them together where we take a step each time, toes and knees moving together, stepping out, twisting in. Make sure that you change weight each time and that your toes and your knees agree on each step.
You don't want this thing.
Yeah, you don't want spider legs. Not cute. Not
I'll give
cute.
you one more taste of that.
It's
like
cute
that?
when Peter does it.
You like that? I know. Okay,
That'll
lots
become
of
a
practice.
GIF later.
Okay, so we're gonna do swing outs, and I'm gonna let her twist for a whole bunch, then we're gonna swing out again. So check it out. Swing it out. Ba, ba, ba. I'll do a basic. She just keeps on twisting, then we swing out. And then twist forever, never stop twisting. Hey. Then we did some new stuff. We did a double turn. Let's show the practice we did for it one time.
Yep.
6, 7, 8, rock, step, triple step, turn, turn, triple step, falling into the next rock step. Then we did that with partners. Leaders, you gotta take the circle around the follower's head. It goes open, close, double turn. Show it this way. 5, 6, 7, 8, open, close, double turn. As usual, everybody, if you practice your basic footwork, that's the most important. Followers, if you practice that turn and twist, great.